In this tutorial I will show you how to make transparent effect in Adobe Photoshop. I have this image as background. Download link in description. Go to Filter menu. Blur and Gaussian blur. This amount is good for this image. Click OK. Go to File menu. Choose Place Embedded. Select your image. Click on Place. From Windows, activate Properties. Click on Convert to Layer. Now click on Remove Background. Right-click on Layer Mask. Duplicate image, Ctrl-J. Choose Apply Layer Mask. Go to Image menu, Adjustments, Desaturate. Change Blend Mode to Screen. Press Ctrl-L to open Levels Adjustment layer. Follow the process. Add a layer mask. Choose Brush and follow the process. Hold Alt and drag the layer mask copy. And press Ctrl-I to invert. Go to File menu. Choose Place Embedded. Select your image. Click on Place. From Windows, activate Properties. Click on Convert to Layer. Now click on Remove Background. Select Layer Mask of the top layer, choose Brush. Make sure foreground color is white. And follow the process. That's it. If there is any question you can ask in comment section.
Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.